I'm here with the Microsoft Surface headphones. They are a surprise item that was announced about a month ago. They are available for order starting today, and they'll start shipping on November 19th. They're not cheap. They cost $350, but there's a lot of features that come with that money and a lot of interesting design that they've put into it. There's a lot of strengths to these, but first of all, I'd go with they're easy to set up. It took very little time to get them out of the box and working on all the different devices that I have. I have a MacBook and an Android phone, and it's easy to jump back and forth between the devices, whether I'm on the go with my phone or sitting at my desk with my computer. It just takes a second to toggle that and make it work. Secondly would be comfort. Any headphones you have to be able to wear them for a long time. It was nice to know that these didn't hurt my head or feel too tight or anything like that. Very adjustable. And then 3 is just the little things. There are, a lot of things you can do with this, from adjusting the volume very easily, adjusting the noise canceling. You tap on the side to pause it. If you take it off, it pauses automatically. Some of these things are available in other sets of headphones, but when you bring them all together, it makes a nicer experience overall. In terms of room for improvement, price, very expensive, but I'm sure, people who have to wear headphones all day to make calls, or maybe if you travel a lot, would be willing to pay the price. 2 would be versatility. I'd like to be able to do, everything I want to do, which includes running, working out, playing basketball, those sorts of things with these things on. And I've been told that's not their best use. Maybe some light jogging in these, but don't go try to run your marathon while wearing them, basically.